That is the biggest worm we've ever seen in our lives. Heck! Taranaki, Ruapehu and Rangiwahia. What a sight! This is our scenes of New Zealand, eh? Beautiful.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
This sunrise is between Turakina and Martin as we head toward the Ruahine Ranges. And this bridge had a unique way of saying only one car at a time on this bridge. Then we were the first car to drive along this freshly graded road, as the grader had to make room for us to pass. Ruahine Forest Park access, really? So this is it? Exciting. Our youngest daughter Tansy came with us this day, as she'd been here before and knew the way. Oh, and was an excellent gate opener too, by the way. Toilet stop before we head off. There she goes. Good, we've salvaged our toilet paper. Oh, look at this view. I'm gonna love this walk. Right, let's go back up to where we were. Ruahine Forest Park. We've got to climb it. Ooh. Right, up and over we go. That's called Dead Man's Track, and we're not going Dead Man's Track. Gee, 6 hours. No, we're going this 2 hours, Rangiwahia Hut. Granddad's up there somewhere, or Dad. He's got daughter here, not grandchild. Ooh, it's chilly. We'll warm up. My fingers are cold. I'll have to put this away soon. Warm my fingers up. The size of it. Beautiful. And along further, these trees. Nothing dead. No. Oh, he's camouflaged. He's disappearing. Oh, well, we're catching up to him. This is a beautiful walk. But yeah, 15 minutes in. 15 minutes in, we've stripped off to our t-shirts. We're hot. Sounds like a kiddo. Another thing. Oh. Yeah. That is the biggest worm we've ever seen in our lives. Heck! That's not my finger. Look at it. Wow, that's like a bloomin' snake. Good find, Tansy. That is massive. Look at the foot. It's longer than my foot.
Oh, look how fast it's moving.
Yeah. Thought I'd better explain that Tansy has a phobia for worms. Being our youngest child, her older siblings would tease her with worms from the garden, normal-sized worms, when they were all much younger, of course. So she has feared worms, snakes and other slimy creatures all her life. Tansy's paranoid. She thought these were bugs, but they're not. She's paranoid. They're just seeds, I think. Oh, so lovely. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. Oh, yes. Wow. Isn't it? Wow. That's gorgeous. And another. This tree trunk. Like a twist in it. Follow the orange. Hello. Can't see you, bud. Oh, muddy. Oh, we've got mud. Sorry, Tui, but we've got mud. Oh. Oh, man, it is muddy. More views. Oh, look at it. Oh, wow. Can't get enough of it, eh? So beautiful. Oh, I say, oh, is the sign big enough this time? Oh, it's telling us to don't go this way. Oh, mountain ghosts? Oh, those are those trees. Wow, Bobby, Robert, what are you doing? Hey. The sign's that way. You're following the wrong track. This is the slip. Oh man, what are we going to do with him? Why is he doing this to us? The bare grey wood of mountain ghosts is a common sight in New Zealand forests. These dead or dying trees in this area are mountain cedar, and the dead wood provides food and shelter for birds, bugs, moss and fungi. There is one fern that only grows on dead cedar, so when you see these bleak dead mountain ghosts, it often means new life for others. The proper way, Robert. Up this way. Oh, gee, it's steep. Oh, hey. That is gorgeous. It's massive. And it's high. And who can sit on it? Except the Lacys of this world. The ghost trees. Love it. Bugs. Can I see you? Heaps of bugs. Don't swallow them. Oh wow. Okay. You could have. Oh well, I'm glad you played it safe, Robert. And listened to us. What did you do? Not to be naughty. Go through the danger zone. You were just there. Robert, What are you doing? You wouldn't be silly enough to go down there. You're naughty. She's on the phone in the middle of nowhere. She's talking to her husband.
He just slipped.
Lucky he wasn't in the slipping. Get off the phone, Caleb. She's still on the phone. Go out of range soon. In the middle of nowhere, Caleb. Is that what he said? He's not bothered with it, and he's seen them bigger than that worm. So they're really bush worms, eh? Gee, that's fascinating. You should have to capture one and bring it home to you, Tansy. That is gorgeous. Look at it. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to put my top back on too. Oh, yes, that's cold. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Oh, that's so neat, Bobby. You're heading down. What a sight. This is our scenes of New Zealand, eh? Beautiful. Where's Robert? He's disappeared on me. Rat bag doesn't wait. There you go, Tan. Good girl, Tanny. Oh, cool. Cool. Here's the hole. There it is. Hi. Oh, there's the slip. Bobby was going to walk over. Gee, it's crazy. Oh! Isn't it neat? Oh, the heck are those? I don't know. White blobs. That's cool, actually. Isn't it pretty? I like that look too. So, Tansy says it just keeps going up and up and up now. She's been to the hut. But we're not fit enough. So, we're going to head back. Which is a shame, but it's the trouble with being old. And we've done enough climbing today. Now, Tansy gave me these pictures of when she and her husband Caleb did this track up to the hut in the snow. Also, a few of another time when her sister and little Lacey went with them on that trip. Back we go. Look at this. It's Tongariro too. No, not Tongariro. Taranaki. Start again, shall I? Look at this, it's Taranaki as well. We can see. All three mountains. There it is.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Like energy, there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, yo. You always gotta fight and dodge from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts, poison the rock. That's what I thought, so keep coming by. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
We're back again. Oh. There's a gate and we're climbing, Robert. Now that's funny. Doc's here, Department of Conservation. Oh, that is funny, Bobby. On the top of the Ruahine Ranges is the Rangiwahia Hut, and there have been several versions of the hut since the 1930s. The rounded open top of these ranges beckoned to ski enthusiasts, so in 1938 the Rangiwahia Ski Club was formed. The war saw a decline in skiers, then it picked up again after the war. A track was formed to reach the top slopes by winching up a bulldozer using a wire rope attached to big red beech trees. Then a tow rope was installed to pull skiers up the slopes, operating off an old Indian motorbike engine. But the ski field died off due to Ruapehu's ski field popularity. Rangiwahia means piercing the sky, because when settlers walked through the dense forest, they came to a sudden clearing with a view of the sky. It was a bustling little village once, with a hotel, post office, a school, 3 churches and a dairy factory. But fires burnt down the hotel and post office, and 2 of the churches and the school were moved to other towns. Potatoes were an excellent crop grown here too, and quail butter won the World Championship Butter Award in 1925, beating 80 other entrants from all over the world. A major win for Rangiwahia, and the quail bird is still a local icon here today. It's got its own memorial. King and country, and the soldiers of Rangiwahia and surrounding districts. Good on you, they all have their memorials. Oh, Civil Defence Centre, and the Rangiwahia Garage, and the fire station, Rangiwahia Hall, park. There we go. And that's about it in Rangiwahia. How sweet. How absolutely cute. Rangiwahia's up there. Oingaiti. We go back to Oingaiti. Pemberton Historic Place. 6 Pemberton brothers were in the first party of settlers to set up camp here, with Charles Pemberton taking a leading role and becoming the first postmaster in Pemberton. And within 7 years, Pemberton grew from a campsite to become the main district centre, until Rangiwahia took over in 1895 and Pemberton then became a ghost town.
Hello. Oh, okay then. We're coming. Back we go. Bring it home to you.